So this is our project based on accident prevention system using IR sensor, where IR sensor is the main component used in our project, which helps in detecting the obstacles. So there are two parts in our project. One is U-shaped roads and other one is railroads. So there are many dangerous roads in the world, like mountain roads, narrow roads, curved roads, T-shaped roads, and these are some of the mountain roads where the roads are really narrow, where the vehicle can't move. For example, Devi Mane Ghat in Karnataka, Kinuru Road in Himachal Pradesh. And India is the country with maximum number of railroads. For example, Delhi Kanpur segment, Ahmedabad Surat segment, and Vishakhapatnam Vijayawada segment, where maximum numbers of deaths have been recorded. According to the Millennium Death Study, about 2.3 million people die in India per year due to accidents. The first part of our project is U-shaped roads. In some of the curve roads, the other end of the curve road cannot be seen by the driver because of the obstacles such as trees or mountains present at the center. When the vehicles meet at the extreme end, there is a cause of accident, due to which people lose their life. So the solution for this is we are placing an IR sensor system which helps in detecting the vehicles that are coming on either sides of the road, which helps the driver to know that there is other vehicle coming from other end, so that he can slow down and prevent accidents. In our model, we are using two IR sensors, LED lights and a buzzer. LED lights are green LED lights and red LED lights to indicate about moving and stopping of the vehicle.
So here the two IR sensors are placed on either sides of a road, where this IR sensor it consists of two components, which is IR transmitter and an IR receiver. IR transmitter, it is a device which will emit the IR rays, and IR receiver, it is a device which will detect those IR rays.
Stop.
These IR sensors are also capable of measuring the heat being emitted by an object and detecting the motion. So now let's discuss how an IR sensor will detect the object. So the basic concept of IR obstacle detection is to transmit the IR signal radiation in one direction, and that signal is received at the IR receiver when the IR radiation bounces back from a surface of the object.
So demo of our project. So whenever the vehicle passes near the sensor, red LED light glows at the opposite side to indicate that the vehicle is coming from the other side. And this side there's green LED, so that there's no vehicle at the other side, it's free to move. So in the same way, we'll be placing another object at the other side. A red LED is glown at the opposite side, indicating the obstacle is coming on the other side. So whenever the object moves, so by this method, we can reduce the risk of accident that occurs on U-shaped roads, curved roads, so that less number of accidents are caused and no major accidents can be caused. Hence, this system helps in reducing the number of accidents caused on U-shaped roads, which also saves many of precious people's life. So this is how our model works, the IR sensor system when placed on a U-shape, T-shape or curved roads. This can be implemented in real life. The cost of installation is less, hence major accidents and damages can be reduced through this model, and this is how our model works.
The second part of our project is based on railroads. Railway being the cheapest mode of transmission, it is preferred over all other means. When we go through the daily news, we come across many railway accidents occurring at unmanned railway crossing. This is mainly due to the carelessness in manual operation or lack of human resource. We in this project have come up with a solution for the same. Using simple electronic components, we have tried to automate the control of railway gates. As the train approaches the railway crossing, from either side, the sensor placed at a certain distance from the gate detects the approaching train and accordingly controls the operation of the gate. Also, an indicator light had been provided to alert the motorist about the approaching train. The two IR sensors are placed at the left and right side of the railway gate. The distance between two IR sensors is dependent on the length of the train. In general, we have to consider the longest train in that route. Now we'll see how this circuit actually works. If the sensor detects the arrival of the train, microcontroller starts the motor with the help of the motor driver in order to close the gate. The gate remains closed as the train passes the crossing. When the train crosses the gate and reaches the second sensor, it detects the train and microcontroller will open the gate. Now the vehicles can move.
So this is how our railroad model works. Human intervention at level crossing can be removed. Many railway level accidents can be prevented as well. And this system can be easily implemented to the existing roads, and installation cost is also very less. The purpose of this project is to decrease the number of accidents in curve roads and as well as railway roads. So this accident prevention system can be implemented in real life, which can help in avoiding accidents in curved roads, mountain roads, hilly roads and railroads. This also saves hundreds of lives. It can be easily implemented to the existing roads, fully automated, and installation cost is very less. So the future work of this project: arrangements to protect the sensor from being damaged at critical places, since the U-shaped roads are very narrow and hence most of the wildlife are present there. There are more units. So to prevent that, we need to arrange certain. So IR sensor needs to be protected from all those. Instead of IR sensor, we can also use LiDAR sensor, which helps in scanning the objects and obtaining the 3D structure for extra safety. So this is the overall working of our project, U-shaped roads as well as railway roads. So thank you.